What's up, E? It's your boy Damian Dupe. What's up, E? It's your boy Damian Dupe, and in this video I'll be talking about how to price your data. Hopefully you can see my Excel spreadsheet. As you can see, we have the land market value here, and we're actually offering a percentage of the land market value. For this to be super successful, you have to confirm and reconfirm that majority of the lots in the area are selling for more than the assessed value, or you have to assure that the land is selling more than your offer. So what I typically do is I just go ahead and put offer, and I offer a percentage of the land market value. So I typically use a formula called equals. I click on the land market value, I do times, and let's say 0.78, and then you hit enter. As you can see, once you drag this down, everything is priced. So that's typically how I would make an offer on a property. But one important fact you want to do, and it's called TYP, test your pricing. Before you send these mail out to sellers with blind offers, you want to make sure that you are not offering more than the comps. So, and we're going to go ahead and test our pricing here and just make sure we're not overpriced. All right, in this video, we're going to basically test our pricing. The good thing about pricing is it can be adjusted. If you click on the first row to offer, as you can see, if you wanted to adjust it to 77%, you'll just click enter. And as you can see, the price will change, and then you'll just double click in the corner, and now all the pricing is at 77% of the market value. So that's how you can change your pricing. Let's go to testing our pricing. So we're going to go down to Rock Hill, see if we can find some lots over there, and we'll verify our pricing. Okay. All right, if you do not have land ID, you can use the county GIS system to put eyes on the lot if possible. All right, as you can see, this lot possibly may be buildable. Looks like a flag lot. They paid $43 for it. Okay, and I know my offer is, let's see, my offer would be $18,000 and some change. Now let's test our pricing. Okay, let's see if we can find lots that's selling for more. You just want to go to Zillow, make sure under the home type you got lots, make sure under sold in the last 12 months, and you want to plug the address here. What I typically do is click inside right here where you see this blue dot, and I will go to lot lines, and basically I will look at what kind of lots are selling for. Okay, if I have any comps, these look like all houses, right? And actually I'm gonna remove that one from the list. I do see some power lines running through there, and the envelope looks a little funky. And you may say, what is the envelope? The envelope is where the house goes, the building envelope. So as you can see, look at these houses, and you see how they have room on the side. I mean, this is a very slim and narrow lot, so I'm gonna definitely remove this one, and we'll test our pricing on something else. And this is a process, ladies and gentlemen. Be patient with the process. You don't want to rush through this, and the reason why is because one, it's not going to be perfect. Two, but you want to have the best chance of winning as possible. Now, as you can see, this lot is only 1,666 square foot, but there are houses on these lots, which is perfect. So let's see if we can see any comps, and we'll see if our pricing is correct. All right, again, I would typically click in here, this blue box, and then click lot lines. And I will zoom in a little bit. Now I know my lot is very, very small, so I have to keep that in mind when I'm looking for comps. So I see some 18, 42. All right, let's see what we offer. We offer 18 and some change. So I would say we were too aggressive on that offer. And what does that look like? If you happen to overshoot an offer, you basically want to let the seller know, hey, my marketing department was pretty aggressive on the offer and I'm only able to offer X. That is to be noted. Let's try a couple more. Testing our pricing. All right, I got a vacant lot here. Looks like we offered 18,903, and we're looking for a comp that supports more than 18,903. That is the gist of testing your pricing. Again, it's not going to be perfect, but you want to make sure majority of your offers are not over what the properties are selling for. I repeat, you want to make sure majority of your offers are not over what the properties can sell for. Okay, so we offer 18,000 for this, and let's see what our comps are. I do see a comp right here for 15, so I might be a little too aggressive. If you can see this right here in the corner, and I try to stay as close to the lot as possible. As close to the lot as possible. All right, let me get back on here. All right, so I'm looking to see if I see anything that's more than 18,000 that's selling. I see 70,000 right here. I don't know if this is for a house or a lot. This is for a house for sure. All right, let's get back in there. Again, we're trying to find a comp that will justify. If not, I have to adjust the pricing. All right, so as you can see, the only one I was able to see was for 15,000. But I do see one here for 26, and I do think this is a lot on the same street. As you can see, this lot is weird shaped. This lot is a complete lot. So if you click right here, I think this lot sold for 26.5. And to verify it, I just come down here, and as you can see, it sold for 26.5. So with that being said, with me offering 19 and some change, and I can possibly sell this lot for 26.5, the pricing is decent. I'm not overpriced. All right, so let's do a couple more just so you can get a feel for testing your pricing. All right, Flint Street, see what we got. On Flint, let's see what we offered. We offer 18,903. I see a comp right across the street from it, a very skinny lot at 9,500. We possibly can get two of those lots in here if you look at this, which is a good thing. So that'll already put us at 19,000. All right, but let's look around a little bit more. I did see something for 40. I did see a lot that sold for 40 that's very close to the lot. And I'll try to find that for you. So I seen this that sold for 40. All right, this is on the same street. Okay, so for 40. So I feel pretty good about pricing. So again, go through this task in different price points just to make sure you are not overpricing your offers. And again, it's not going to be perfect. If you see any outliers on it, outliers is lots that may have a structure on there or anything like that, you can just remove from your list. But that's typically how you would test your pricing.